So we are going to reformat this Asus TUF F15TX. So we have here Windows activation. We click that. The laptop allows Windows 11 Home. So I have the Windows uh, operating system here in USB. I downloaded it from the website and we are going to put it in the laptop. So I'm going to shut this down. We're going to insert this USB in and we're going to turn it on and then F12 to go to BIOS. And now we are at the BIOS. So this is the USB that I have and this is what we are going to boot. You have to switch it up, so the priority is going to be at the USB. And now we are going to save it. F10 and exit. And now the boot up process will start. Now usually for this process, this is the fourth time I experience where the trackpad is not working. So once everything is done, we will have to install the trackpad. So I'm going to use a USB mouse. So again, this is the fourth time I encounter where the trackpad is not working every time I boot. So I have to insert a USB mouse. So we are going to choose Windows 11 Home. Earlier we have Windows 11 Pro, but the laptop allows Windows 11 Home. So as I showed you earlier, this one you have to install this this is Intel RSD Rapid technology. So now I can choose which partition I can download my uh, my my Windows. So I am choosing the 500 GB SSD. So now I'm going to pause the video because it will take a long time to install. And we are done. The setback that we had here is I cannot get to the Wi-Fi earlier, so I cannot set up. So I went with um, administrator and I had to download a Wi-Fi driver. So I had to put another USB. But nevertheless, it is already um, done. So Windows 11 home. So that's it.